Our environment.
What is ecosystem?
It may be defined as structural and functional unit of biosphere comprising of living organism and their non-living environment that interacts by means of food chain and chemical cycle resulting in energy flow, biotic diversity and material cycling to form a stable self-supporting system.
What are the types of ecosystem?
Ecosystem, it may be defined or classified on the basis of nature, duration and size. First, nature. On the basis of nature, ecosystem may be of two types. Natural ecosystem, the ecosystem operates in the nature by themselves. For example, a desert, a pond or a lake. Artificial ecosystem, these are maintained by man-made and hence are also termed as man-made ecosystem. For example, garden, aquarium, etc. Duration. On the basis of duration, ecosystems are of two types. Temporary ecosystem. These are short-lived ecosystem which may be man-made or natural. Example, rain pond and laboratory culture of protozoan. Permanent ecosystem. These are self-supporting natural ecosystem that maintain themselves for respectively long duration. Example, a lake or a forest. Size. On the basis of size, ecosystem may be classified as small ecosystem. These are also called micro ecosystem. For example, flower pot. Large ecosystem. Very large size ecosystem are also termed as macro ecosystem. For example, an ocean.
What are components of ecosystem?
There are two main components, abiotic components. These include non-living factors of ecosystem. Abiotic factors include inorganic substance. These include substances like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, calcium, etc. Organic substance. These include substances like carbohydrate, protein, lipids, etc. These are present in living organism and dead organic matter. Climatic factor. These include light, temperature, humidity, rainfall, etc. Biotic components. The living organism present in the ecosystem forms the biotic component. There are three main categories. First, producers. These include all green plants, blue-green algae, some bacteria and free-floating autotrophic microorganisms called phytoplanktons. These organisms use solar energy to prepare their food. This process is called photosynthesis.